Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Donnie, and this will be covering this derivative shown on screen. The first step is by applying the chain rule because we have two functions side of another. We have the e log base a cos x function, and we have g of x, which is log a cos of x. Now we write it. We write that y is represented by fx, and u represented by g of x, which is log a base cos x. Now we gotta do this portion over here, this dy divided du, and y we know, y is the f of x. We apply f of x, but we know it's divided by du. The u term will be replaced over here. Now we gotta do du divided dx, where we take this u and we put the g of x, which is log a to the base cos of x over here. Now we gotta combine them all. Then we gotta start doing the derivatives. E to the x derivative is still the same thing, and derivative of a logarithmic function where you have to do 1 over the function, which is cos of x, ln, which is going to be 8, and derivative of cos of x. We do it over here. Now I'm going to do derivative of cos of x, and the derivative of cos of x is negative sine of x, so we do it over here as well. Now we gotta change this u. The reason why I gotta change this u, you apply back substitution, and we gotta put back this log a cos of x, which is over here. We replace it, and that's the final answer to this video. So please leave a like and subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful, great day.